never shall be slaves. Rule Britannia, Britannia, rule the waves. Britons never, never, never shall be slaves.
Pin down, form up! To the right!
British grenadiers and fusiliers with their tall fur caps. To mount an assault effectively, it's critical to keep order among the men. They can't go running forward if they can't all stay together. There goes the Grenadier Battalion. There they go. They have to get through these fences. That slows them way down. They ought to be charging forward, but they can't do it because of the obstructions. They have to go at a slower pace than they'd like. Oh no, the Americans are taking advantage of this. The British aren't able to effect a charge. Maybe they're just trying to stay a little bit out of effective range here. Well, here come the rest of the British troops now. Rather than just send the grenadiers forward, now the rest are coming up to support them. Maybe this British in the middle, maybe this is just a feint. They're trying to distract the Americans in the center of the line while they send the light infantry around in a flanking attack. Is there a gap over there that the light infantry can get through? Oh no, it looks like Colonel Stark's men saw the gap and they managed to fill it up. The light infantry thought they could go around the flank, but there's no gap there after all. Withering musket fire has hit the face of this British column. It's only 4 or 5 men wide. The British feint is now turning into an assault. The flank attack failed, so the British center is just moving forward anyway. Unopposed to be well protected by their earthworks. And the main British column is stalled there too. They can't get up that steep slope under withering fire. They've had to stop. The Americans have gained confidence, but they're expending a lot of ammunition. When the British are charging, they're charging up the hill. Are out of range, but the Americans are still going through a lot of ammunition. The officers are trying to get them, conserve your ammunition. But they're enthusiastic now. They've seen that maybe they can win this battle. Maybe they can hold this hill. British are pulling back to the shoreline. fight's not over yet, though. Way down at the bottom of the hill where the white tents are, you can see British troops on the march. Enthusiasm. They did so well earlier in the day. They want to do that again. The officers can't give up. If they come, it comes a strong call. It's emergency. Oh, there's more of them. We see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 battalions. Is that another one still behind? There's even more. They're being very careful and they're using what cover they can find. They're not going to make it come. If they come, it comes. It's still coming. They're still pouring out the encampment. They're still coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 battalions now. The Grenadier Battalion. The British are firing too, but they have a lot more ammunition. Every one of those light infantry are trying to fight a little bit, but they've also made room for the rest of them. Trying to get up that front defense one more time. The Americans are surprised at this too. It looks like the Americans are having trouble keeping a steady fire. Light infantry are going down, but are they taking casualties or are they just moving up? There it is. There's the first of the British lines. The musketry is far more effective when fired en masse, but the Americans have a much better position to fire from. Some casualties, but these are professional troops. They know that's part of the game, and they are not finished yet. Officers are confirming they're going to come up.
Good for him to know that that was a Marine.
Bring him to our surgeon!
And if they're smart, they could have just gone out there and rifled.
Bring him to our surgeon!
That could be his round.
We're not
Take his
savages!
ammunition and his gun. Get his gun.
Find a few more musket cartridges. You've probably heard of powder horns used to load muskets.
Oh, it's press card.
Some of their comrades have already fled. They wanted no part of this battle. They'd seen enough. Punch through, even if some of the men in the front get shot down, there'll be more, and there'll be more, and there'll be more, they'll keep coming. They'll be able to pierce a hole in one car. And the British do it. Here they come, they're moving up the hill now. They're doing it, they're attacking in column this time, a whole different approach. No more fights, no more to battle, it's a columnar attack, they're moving more quickly up the hill.
The charter of the land and guardian angels sang this strain. Rule Britannia, Britannia, rule the waves. Britons never, never, never shall be slaves. Rule Britannia, Britannia, rule the waves. Britons never, never, never shall